In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents for signature using Docusign Rooms, a tool that makes digital signing convenient and secure. Let's dive in, shall we? Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Docusign website. Now, if you aren't familiar, Docusign is a leader in electronic signature and agreement management, trusted by millions of people and businesses worldwide. Once the page loads, you'll spot the login button prominently displayed. Clicking this will take you to the login page. Enter your credentials here. If you haven't created an account yet, you might want to do so before proceeding, as having an account enables you to manage your documents effectively. Upon successful login, you'll land on the Docusign homepage. This is your hub for everything, from managing your documents to tracking signatures. Today we're focusing on sending a document, so the next step is crucial. What you'll need to do now is select a template. Docusign provides a variety of templates tailored for different needs. Whether you're sending a simple agreement or a complex contract, there's something here for you. Click on Select a Template and a list of available options will drop down. Choose the one that matches your requirements. Once you've selected the appropriate template, it's time to add the necessary details. At this stage, you'll be required to fill in fields such as the recipient's name and email. Also, you may need to enter information related to the document you're sending. This may sound a bit time consuming, but attention to detail here ensures that the process goes smoothly. After entering all the required information, you'll see a Next button. Go ahead and click it. We're almost at the final step of this process. Now you should be on the document preparation page. Here you'll be able to review everything you've entered so far and make any necessary adjustments. It's always good to double check that all the information is correct, as inaccuracies at this stage can lead to issues later on. Once you're satisfied, look for the Send button. One click on this and your document will be sent off for signature. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully sent a document for signature using Docusign Rooms. Remember, the key to mastering this tool lies in exploring all the features it offers, so don't hesitate to experiment with different templates and settings. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your document signing process seamless and efficient. Stay tuned for more tips and insights in our upcoming videos.